want to teach you guys how to remove the smooth tofu perfectly. I hope I make it. Sometimes it doesn't work. It's not like sometimes, like if 10 times maybe there is one time it doesn't work, but most of the time it works perfectly, guys. So I want to show you guys how to take it out. Okay, so let's go into my kitchen and I'm going to show you. Okay, so I have the smooth tofu here. The first thing that I normally do is I cut the 4 edges here. Okay, I cut the 4 edges here. Okay, just cut it like this. You want to let the tofu to breathe. Okay, so the tofu can breathe a little. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay, see this? Okay, after that you turn it back. Okay, sometimes, okay, whenever you pull, okay, whenever I pull, it will be like this. Okay, it just drives me crazy. So what I'm doing is I just, okay, this part you have to be careful. Normally I put on the table, but I want to show you guys. So, and then you just slide open like this. Oh, don't be so malas to open halfway. Okay, take it out. Right, so once it's like this, okay, I'm going to pull it a little like this. Yes, okay, and then I'm going to use some water, right, to actually rinse the tofu a bit so that it will float like this. Even though it's very tempting to just remove it like this, but sometimes it's not going, you're not going to have a perfect shape of tofu, right? So I'm going to show you what's the next step. That is, I'm using water, and then I just want to press it. Okay, so I'm just putting the water towards here. Okay. Okay. Until you feel the tofu is a little bit floating, then you know that tofu is actually risen a little from the plastic. Okay. Okay, we are using the water power to actually take up the tofu. Okay. So once you do it 4 sides and you are very confident that it's really floating, okay. Okay, so we can take a flat plate like this. Okay, cover it and just turn it. Okay, so okay, wish me luck. Okay, ta-da! Now you have a perfect shape of tofu. You see? Is this nice or what? Okay, nothing sexy, just a little bit lah, but okay. Right, nice or not? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy my tips. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye bye.